Can you believe this mouth is moving with just my voice? Magic? Nope, AI. Watch closely. Every blink, every lip sync, all thanks to audio to animation. Cool, right?
Beep, boop, boop. And guess what? You don't need fancy animation skills. Just upload your voice or record one, and boom, I come to life.
Woof! And the best part? Woof, woof! You can make any character talk. Dogs, unicorns, even a slice of pizza. Of course, dogs are the best.
From a still character to a talking avatar in seconds. I mean, come on, you gotta admit, that's crazy amazing.
Most people think you need advanced software or pro-level editing skills to get an avatar to lip sync a voice. But what if I told you there's a low-tech way to do it? I call it low-tech lip sync, and by using Canva and the right AI tools, you can make your faceless cartoon avatar talk in just minutes. Let's get started.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a talking animation from scratch for free. Check this out.
Today, Santa Claus is a global symbol of Christmas, representing generosity, kindness, and the joy of giving.
As you can see, we're inside the app that created that adorable talking deer video that you just watched. This is an Adobe tool called Adobe Express. And this is their audio to animation tool, completely free to use. Yes, you heard me right, it's free. You can see that right here, completely free. Did you notice that I'm not even logged in yet? So I'm going to show you how to work your way through this very cool app and how to create one of these animations for yourself. There are lots of ways that you might use this tool. Here are a few, so get your creative juices flowing. For now, let's open it up and see how to use this software. I'm going to click on Start Now. Once I'm inside here, you'll see there are many things you can do. Remember, I'm not even signed in. Let's look at some of these characters. They have all different kinds: people, kids, professionals, creatures, animals, and more. Today, I think I'll choose animals. How about this one? Let's make it a little bigger. You have a choice of transparent background or any of these background scenes if you want to. You can also choose the size depending on whether you're making something for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. I'll choose landscape style. Now I've got all that done, let's add a recording I've already made. I'll add it here. I'll upload it based on a Santa Claus video I'm working on for kids. There it goes. I'm going to freeze this for just a minute while it's working. You know what? I changed my mind, so I'll add a background for this mini video character. Okay, let's preview it with the new background. It's making it right now. This takes a few minutes, so be patient. Just a quick tip, you can record an animation in here up to 2 minutes. That is amazing. Okay, so it's finishing up. Let's see what we've got. Now, I could make changes if needed. To do that, just click here. But if you're happy with it as is, you can click here and download it. If you click here, however, it's going to ask you to sign up for a free account. So let's do that. I'll sign up with my Google account to show you around inside. Now you can see I'm inside the Adobe Express software. Look at all the things you can do in here. There's media you can add. If you want to add text, you can. You can add other elements. There's just a lot of other things you can do that I won't go over in this video. To add text, let's see what they offer. How about that one? Okay, let's resize it. If you click on it, you can change or delete things. We can also change the colors. Maybe you want to make it brighter or bigger. Maybe move it at an angle. So there's a lot of things in here to make your mini videos even more unique. Once you're finished, download it. And you've got your choices of how you might want to go. I'm going to stick with MP4. If you wanted to share, you could. Now it's downloading. Okay, and that's how simple it is. Remember, this is all completely free. So if there is something you need to do for a class, a presentation, for work, or maybe even something new for your family, this might be a fun way to animate a character that is completely unique and an entirely different way of doing it. Lastly, I did want to show you that if you wanted to record your own voice narration, that you can. Imagine you wanted to talk to your child or your kids in your class or the people you work with. You can record your voice right here.
So you'll use the same basic setup as before. You choose your character, your background, the size, and then instead of uploading a recording like I did before, you can actually record yourself talking here. Use the enhanced speech option in case you have ceiling fans or air conditioning sounds or other noises in your surroundings. Click to record your own voice. I will put the link to this in the description area below, so come and try it yourself and have some fun.
And that's a wrap. I talked, the AI listened, and now you're watching me wave goodbye. Just imagine what you could make me say next time. The possibilities? Endless.
Not bad for a quick little AI trick, huh? Now hit that subscribe button before I take a nap. See you in the next video. Same voice, new character.
So are you ready to give your ideas a voice? I know I am.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.